entrepreneurship in their lifetime, I just want to welcome again. And simultaneously, I would like to congratulate Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and Pro Vice Chancellor, and the faculty members of Nirvan University. They have chosen excellent topic, and that is quite relevant for the youth in their career. This program is very much useful for engineering graduates, management graduates, agriculture graduates to become entrepreneur. We know very well entrepreneurship is a part of Indian youth now these days, and they are initiated many startups, and they are growing, and they are going to be big unicorn companies in near future. This opportunity will definitely add value in their career. So without wasting time, I'm going to share my PowerPoint presentation with them, and I hope so they will like this presentation with proper examples. The title of the webinar is Great Idea Creation is a Secret Key to Become Successful Entrepreneur. As we are aware, most of the students after their 10+2, they opt college education and they want to go for the jobs, services with a big salaries. They want to go for the MNC, they want to go for the good corporate houses in India. But there is one more way where they can become their own boss and they can start their own venture. You look at many very intelligent students from the field of medical, engineering, agriculture, management, and even other disciplines also. They are doing excellent work by choosing this entrepreneurship and they have become successful entrepreneur. Now, becoming entrepreneur is not that difficult. What you need a great idea. Great idea will support you to become entrepreneur and you can have your own startup also. So basically, a great idea creation is a secret key to become successful entrepreneur. And I'm going to talk about 1 hour on this topic. Kindly listen carefully. You know, if you want to address this title means what is an idea, how to make great, and how to create a great idea. So idea could be like anything. Idea is basically you have to identify society need, people need, and the problem question also. You can think upon it what mostly people are facing problems as a problem, and we have to provide them one solution. It could be agriculture, it could be engineering, it could be medical, or maybe general management also, anything. For example, you can look at the waste. Lot of garbage and waste is available around the city. Now you can think upon it's a problem basically. Lot of diseases are coming, lot of things are happening, lot of smell is and health issues are also there. Now this is basically a problem. Now how to solve this problem by creating a good idea. So how to make great idea? I mean the idea how to make that great. So idea is basically we have two part. One is organic waste and second is non-organic waste, which is plastic and other kind of stuff. Now we can segregate. We can put up like what could be the idea for organic waste and what could be the idea for solid waste. Then now the thing is basically it is initial thinking. We are just thinking about it. Now the question is how to create. The creation is basically now first is remove this garbage and waste properly. Can we go for the vermicompost? Can we introduce the vermicompost? Can we introduce the biomass where the energy is available? Can we do some more activity by using this agriculture waste? Can we convert into the polymer, which can be used for the to retain water in soil? Such kind of a startup is already working. So we'll discuss more and more on these issues. So the basically, if you look at the overview of the topic, new ideas from around the world. Idea is not limited. Idea is not limited in your village. Idea is not limited in your district. Idea is not limited in your state. Idea is not limited from your country. Idea is unlimited from around the world. Then ingredients for a good idea. What are the requirements? What we should need? What to do? What kind of activities we have to perform? That is the second point. Then how to come up with a business idea watching trends. Basically, when we are thinking for idea, should be business idea. It should be scalable also. So how to come up with a business idea watching trends. Now you can look at the around the world. What kind of trends are coming up? What people are doing? Where they are making their success? How they are reaching to the sky? So this is the third point. Then fourth point is a process for generating idea. Basically, it is not very easy, but it is not very difficult also. We have to understand a process where we can generate a good, nice idea, where we can create a nice idea. So new ideas from the around the world, that is very, very important. Now look at this picture. In this picture, there is a website, mypurboi.com, that is urban vertical garden. Look at the different kind of gardens are available, different kind of pots are available, and the pots are having different kind of uses. This is a great idea, and the person is the founder and co-founder has become the very good entrepreneur, and they are making money. So this is basically a solution or a support to the society. I would like to share one small video also. Kindly watch this video. You will come to know. So it's a very small movie that you have seen, and I believe you can clearly understand the utility of this movie. Now let us go further by looking at this. Uh, you know, so they have purchased this product immediately, and the company is growing. So this is one idea. I'll showcase you many ideas where you can learn many more good idea, how to make that idea, how to market that idea, how to convert into money those idea. That is very, very important. Now if you look at agriculture technical co-grows indoor vertical farm. Now if you look at this landless farming in this country, it is not very popular. Usually what we think, a farmer required a big piece of land, otherwise he cannot do the farming. But now look at this activity does not require a lot of land. Whatever you have, you can straight go for this vertical farming, and that is very easy and convenient, and it's very cost effective. So this idea is again taking place and pace wherever the people are interested, and around the world it is getting popular. So the students, I mean youngster who wants to become entrepreneur, maybe the engineers, they can use their engineering skill by developing such idea. And agriculture students are also opportunity to go for such kind of cultivation and farming, and even in urban area they can do such kind of farming, and they can make money selling by this different kind of agriculture produce in the urban market where this organic urban produce are required. Now if you look at, this is one more great idea. I'm just talking about the ideas and how people has been converted these idea into a successful venture, and they have become entrepreneurs. So standing desk for home office, you know very well, people they were right now in this COVID period, many people are working from their home. So work from home concept is a very common these days because of the COVID-19 pandemic disease. And when you are sitting at home, usually we work by having one table and chair, and it is very monotony and very, you know, tiring also. So the one entrepreneur has designed standing desk, which is very cost effective, very easy, and folding also. So this design has appreciated around the world. And look at, you can put up your laptop, you can put up your iPhone, and pen, diary. And it is not like that, whole day you have to sit on your table. You can stand and you can work upon it. You will not feel any tiredness. You will feel energy simultaneously. You can go for the workout also, and your energy level would be very high. So this idea is again, popping around the world, and people are accepting this innovative product, and they are working simultaneously. Now look at this BRC design, that is organ bed. Now that was made by the pulp of this waste papers, and this design is really remarkable. And further, it has been converted in cardboard bed and other kind of beds also. And that bed was known as a disposable bed. If you have heard about that, in this COVID period, many hospitals has been introduced this uh, cardboard bed that was use and throw. So that bed was used, but for one COVID patient, and that after that, simply it was wrapped up and it was disposed of. It was not made by the wood. So cardboard and this paper pulp, that was, that is known as a organ bag. So the design is excellent. It is good for the certain period, steady and cheap also, and it is easy to assemble. So such kind of innovative ideas are coming in the people's mind, and they are working. So the second version of this bed is also available in this country, in India, but otherwise around the world, this bed is very popular. Now we look at this bamboo toothbrush. Now we people are thinking for eco-friendly things, eco-friendly items. So all toothbrushes are made by plastic. All toothbrushes are made by plastic. But one entrepreneur has given a thought, is a new idea. It's a really great idea. And he thought, let me take the bamboo stick and let me go for this bamboo toothbrush. This is totally eco-friendly, and this toothbrush will not harm. You think about it. Around the country, 150 crore people are living. And suppose per month, if they are disposing one toothbrush, maybe in a month, it means 150 crore toothbrushes are disposed in this environment. And you look at how we people are damaging our environment by using this plastic toothbrush. So this is one more substitute. This is cheaper than plastic toothbrush, and the hairs are also natural, which was used in this toothbrush. And this venture, this startup is going to growing like anything. And entrepreneurship is a very good example of the entrepreneurship development in among new youth from engineering and other disciplines side. You look at the one more BRC design, that is binary chair. You look at different kind of this digital waste and software hardware type of waste is available around this country, and people are looking for some dynamic new innovative furniture made from that. One engineer has also designed this chair by using all kind of boards and different type of boards which are available in laptops and desktops and pen and this mobile and a different kind of gadgets. And by using that, they have made this chair. This is center for attraction. Many institutions and hotels, they are putting such chair in their lobby, where customers and other people are very curiously they are looking that chair. And this is cheap also. And one more thing, like this is we people are using waste, electronic waste, which is available in our on this earth, and we are making some usable furniture for that. So this is also very good example of this new idea, greater idea. Now look this, print real photos from your iPhone and iPad. My request is just go through on this website, and you will come to know all the ideas which is happening around the world. That is popbooth.com. Popbooth.com has created a new idea where these phone holders can have their real photos immediately printed from this software and this website. So this was again very popular, and people are taking their photos, instant photos print out by using this website, and they are paying good money to that website owner also. So this is one more type of entrepreneurship, and we should say this is techno entrepreneurship, where engineering students are taking entry by putting their wisdom and intelligence in the sector. Now look at this online second-hand bookstores. I mean, we have all gone through with this higher education, graduation, post-graduation, research, PhD, scholarship, many kind of things we have already gone through. And we used to buy fresh books from the market. And you can see Amazon and other kind of .com companies are also distributing and handling this sales of fresh books, but not second-hand books. So one entrepreneur has thought, let me buy second-hand books from the market, which are available on very minimum prices, and same has been sold through online bookstore. So instead of paying 10,000 rupees for the books, people are paying only 500 rupees, or maybe 700 rupees, or maybe 100 rupees, or you never know. It depends on the condition of that book. So this is one more great idea which has appreciated by the people, and the idea is promoted and further converted into business. It is a very good example of entrepreneurship development. And basically these things has been done by this our upcoming youth, and youth are very intelligent, and they are making money simultaneously. They are going for the their study also, further study also. They are opting good study options, and they are exercising for this entrepreneurship development related activities. Now look at this cup and saucer. We used to think about that only round shaped cup and saucer. Round shaped cup and saucers are available in the market, but one entrepreneur has thought about that. Why not round? Why only round? Let me go for the rectangular also. And he has designed the rectangular cup and saucer in the market. Now look at people, anyone who has seen that they have appreciated that idea. And the purpose of that idea is a premium quality saucer and cups to be sold in the market on premium price. And the purpose, it was appreciated. And the same entrepreneur, earlier they were producing or making or manufacturing the round shaped cup and saucer. Now they are making this rectangular shaped cup and saucer also, and selling on double or triple or 4-time price in the market. And people who are interested to buy this innovative products, they are buying. So this example is again very good, and we have to learn from this example. Now think near. Allow local business to generate additional revenue and increase profitability by predicting when a business has unused capacity, and bring in nearby people by offering them discounts on their phones. So, smart marketing with think near in 3 easy steps. This was also a type of entrepreneurship where people are using. It is just like that, you have your business, but some products are not frequently sold in the market. So you have such products which are left over. Now what to do with that product? Now expiry is quite close, or maybe fashion is out of date, or something like that. So you have to make the chart. Let us know when you are typically show the dates: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You look at the examples of a different food chain. Saturday, Sunday, they are not offering any discount or promotion, but Monday to Friday they are offering many kind of promotion and discounts, where people are not interested to buy such product, but they are motivated and encouraged to buy such kind of products. Now look at the senior transportation services. People who are senior, they are not able to walk, they are not able to drive. So such kind of change has been made in automobile sector, and cars and different kind of vehicle has been modified as per their requirement. And if you look at the population around the country, which is elderly population, which is quite high, more than 40%, anywhere in the world you will find the senior people. And if you are addressing senior people requirement, then your idea is great, and you can be the very good entrepreneur by selling your idea. Now look at, this is one company, Romipicolo, and look at this idea. It's a great idea. You look at in the market, many kind of chocolates are available, but what he has thought, when people are consuming these chocolates, they are very much conscious about the calories, but they don't know which piece has how many calories. Simply they are cutting, half of the chocolate, or maybe the quarter of the chocolate, or maybe the third fourth of the chocolate, and they are eating, and they were not aware. But the calorie conscious people, he has done simply on the piece of that chocolate, he has put up, this is 55 calorie, 30 calorie, 20 calorie, 60 calorie, 55 calorie. So the count of calorie, whatever you required, you can just cut from that bar and you can eat. Look at, it's a very nice, very easy, very good idea. But by doing that, you can increase the consumption of chocolate. So this company has tremendous growth has been taken by increasing such innovative idea. So again, great idea is very, very important. Now look this. This company has introduced this walk station desk. The company name is Details Limited. You can just search upon on this Google. You will find all the details. This is walk station desk. As I told you earlier, you have seen this, standing table for the standing workstation. Now this is walk station. People whole day they don't want to sit, because while sitting we people are inviting a lot of diseases, and we are putting a lot of weight also. So this station has been developed. People are working on this station simultaneously. So treadmill, you are walking also. So that is going to be good exercise. Slow movement you are you are having in your walk, and you are healthy and fit. Many people has liked, especially the people who are more than 40 years, they like that mechanism, and they are buying such stations. Such stations are in pretty good demand around the world. So this is again one more attractive. Now look at this edible coating that increase produce shelf life. Some agriculture produce are very expensive. For example, avocado. This is very expensive. And when retail stores are keeping avocado in their shelf, the shelf life is very limited. And since like 5 days, 6 days they are selling, and what will happen after 7 days, 8 days? That will rotten. So the rotten avocado, rotten agriculture produce, they cannot sell. Basically, it is a loss in the business. So that one entrepreneur has decided to come up with a edible coating. Edible coating, why? Because it is not harmful to eat also. And this coating is increasing reduced shelf life. Simultaneously, you are reducing post-harvest losses, and you are increasing your business profit also. That is again very, very important idea. It's a great idea, I should say. And it is helping farmer, it is helping other stakeholders and businessmen also. Even this is helping to the consumer also, because when we purchase and he's putting in his home, he is also increasing this shelf life to consume this product. Now look at this is very interesting. This is SRS Energy solar powered tile. What we have seen such any kind of structure, and we people are putting solar panel on the roof. So it is double expenditure. First, the existing roof, and second is roof solar power roof, which was made by the silicon and other material. So that is double expenditure. Look at, one entrepreneur has come up with the idea with a solar power tile. Now tile would be manufactured in the shape of this clay tile. So avoiding covering a roof in unsightly solar panels, the solar panel are shaped like a clay tile. So one side is you are saving your money, second is it is looking beautiful also, and third is again it is good for the solar power. So this is great idea. I mean, you look at in solar, the kind of idea which is very, very innovative and very well appreciated around the world. Many companies are manufacturing such tiles, and good entrepreneur with wisdom, they are making a lot of money also. Now look at this Eco Cab from Ireland. What if customer did not have to pay for the product? When people have very, I mean, less income pocket, then what to do? Each and everyone has right to buy product as per their vision. It is not like that each and everyone can spend 25 to 30 lakh rupees. But yes, such kind of Eco Cab available, which is very minimum price, maybe less than 1 lakh rupees. And the passengers are also, it is just like e-rickshaw which are available in this country, but e-rickshaws are open. This is covered, some new idea, and it is very fast growing, the product in Ireland. If you go to the website, if you look at, you will find it's a very great success story which was developed by an entrepreneur. Now look at this food container business. We have seen many places, abandoned places like this national park, like the tourist places like the mountains, seashores, hmm, and the pilgrim places where construction is not allowed. uh, and you cannot disturb the ecosystem. So you can buy one container and you can convert this container in a small coffee shop, or maybe the cold, uh, the cold drink shop, or small restaurant and coffee shop or something like that. And you know what people is doing, and that is again well appreciated idea. You can close down in the evening. You can put up the lock also, and you can just open. No garbage, nothing. It is no risky for the environment also. And anywhere in the world, any place, you can put up such box with the permission of authority. So that is again, it's a very creative idea. You look at, it is not like that, you just want to sell their product, but it has creation. With the full kind of wisdom and intelligence, the person has introduced this idea, and this idea is really appreciable for our youth. And youth should take the inspiration from such idea, and they can have their own pocket by putting such kind of kiosk anywhere, wherever is required. Now look at, what is this? I just want to ask you what you people are seeing. One is side, it is looking up a mobile phone. Second side, it is looking a harmonium. What is this? Now look this. What is this? Just looks like a cake or something. It is not visible. It is not clear. We cannot see. What is this? And one more. It is just like, yeah, cake. It is just like looking at birthday cake. But all four pictures, are you able to clarify? Are you able to answer it? What is this? Yes, I believe no one is able to tell us what is these pictures. What are these pictures? But let me tell you, these are coffins. It is really shocking. It is really surprising. These are coffins. Yes, this is made by one entrepreneur, and this is very common in United Kingdom, England. Let me tell you. The company name is crazycoffins.co.uk, and they are making coffins, crazy coffins, different shape, different type. Why it is so? Because many people are asking for their elderly people who have recently died. They want to pray, and they want to express their respect by putting such people are in such coffins. And the designs are tremendous designs, and they are very expensive also. So the profit margin is again big. So it is not like that. It is, I'm just talking about the great ideas, simple ideas. Idea could be anywhere. Idea could be for anything. So we should not think about that, it is death ceremony or something like that. It is, the question is basically whether this idea is creative or not, whether this idea is great or not, whether this idea is feasible or not, whether this idea is viable or not, or whether with this idea entrepreneur has taken growth or is making money or not. Now look at this car. If you look at, you can see this is Volkswagen car, but it's not car, it is coffin. So people are buying, the person who very much affectionate with this particular brand car, he wants to be put up in this car only. That last wish and last will, and that from the family people they are putting. Now look at this coffin. This is just like a traveler bag. It is just like a suitcase. So the different variety, different designs has been created, and the company is growing and growing and growing. It is not only UK. Then now they are exporting such coffins around the world. So no one has given thought the coffin could be the innovative, and the one fellow has done. And now look at, now one more example of the great creation, great innovation, and the great idea. That is personalrosettastone.com. Please visit this website. My request is just visit this website. You will shocked by knowing such technology. Our entrepreneurs, especially engineers, they are going through with this blockchain technology, IoT, machine learning, uh, and many kind of upcoming technologies. And technologies are used for the software and hardware and many things. But this technology has been used for the technology enhanced memorial products. So more than a name and a date on the symmetries. They are putting many things like microchip is inside, map, geolocation is also inside. So whenever they want to pray, whenever the family members wants to pray, they are just sending the location. It is just like, we are sending some wedding invitation with the this like geolocation or WhatsApp location or many kind of other location. So people are reaching over there and they are praying over there, and 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 they are spending money for such technology on some websites, and they are making business. So we our purpose is basically to share the different kind of ideas. So we have to thought about, and we have to think about, and we have to grow by exploring more and more ideas. So basically, idea is like, you look at this example. Basically, what we want to solve the problem. Why problem? Where is the problem? Problem is basically this watermelons. Watermelons are in basically in round shape, and when you are storing watermelon, you need a lot of land, what lot of space to store, because it's a big size is big, and it is difficult to stack, in a proper manner. So the people have solved this problem, and what they have done it. Look, it's really surprising. They have introduced watermelon, which was in rectangular. So the story was basically from Japan, and in Japan, Tokyo, the stores rental is very expensive. And suppose if they were putting this round shaped watermelons, then it was occupying a lot of space. But by using this rectangular, the space is very limited. And finally, so by using the glass bottle, rectangular glass bottle, they were inserting fruit in that rectangular glass bottle. And when the product is ready to market, they are just breaking that glass bottle, and removing this fruit outside, and that is why it is becoming the rectangular, and they are selling in the market. So it's a great idea. If you look at this, our agriculture fraternity, they can be benefited with such kind of great ideas. Now look at this butcher vending machine in Spain. So simply look at, in India, we people are also having this vending machines, but not for the butcher and other kind of all kind of activities, but it is growing. So you think about it, what you can do. The vending machine could be the one instrument, but what you can vend basically with that machine. Think about it. You can sell eggs, you can sell books, you can sell medicines, you can sell stationery, you can sell food items, many kind of things you can sell. So idea is greater than anything. So think about it and have a great idea. Now look at this uh, website, that is inchworm.co.uk. Basically, they are known for the recession products. Any kind of product which is not sellable in the market, this enterprise, they buy such products and they put up on their website. So people are aware about that this website is selling some great products on very reasonable price. Suppose price is $100, but now product is available in $5 or $6 or something. But in India, the concept is basically whatever is not sellable, we people are putting in a garbage, or to the kabadi, or to the we don't have discount stores, and basically such kind of discount stores are quite popular in Western world. It doesn't matter whether in Europe or UK or USA or anywhere. So such kind of discount stores have a lot of probability, to set up in India also. So youth can think about it, and they can go for such kind of ideas. Great idea. So the idea development process is basically idea generation. Initially, we have to go for the idea generation. Then we have to screen the idea. Then we have to develop the idea. Then we have to do little bit research on that idea. Then finally, we have to test that idea. And the time has come to the launch. And at the time of launching, within a few days or few months, you can see whether your idea is clicking or it is not clicking. Then you can go for the modification of that idea, and still you can work upon, and within a short so the new idea, like the component of a great idea. Now think about it, the component of the new ideas. So component of a great idea is basically, now qualified, it's a demand. Basically, component of a great idea is basically, it's a demand. So people must want it. You look at, like, suppose it's a pyramid. you at the grassroots level, you are thinking for a demand. Now, what people are looking, it is a latent demand. For example, I just want to smoke, but I have fear with the smoke. It could be cause of cancer. So, what could be the latent demand? Latent demand could be the smoke less cigarette. So now think about that. Now mature this idea. More and more think tank and brainstorming session will give you solution. Then economics. It must make a profit. It is not charity. Whatever idea you have, it should be converted into a profit. Then qualified plan. It should be sustainable also. It is not like that, only few years, few days, it is working and later on it is collapse. It should be sustainable. So that is very, very important. Now look at the demand versus margin. Both angles are based on brand, the kind of brand what we are going to. So where is your idea? Your idea is in between, and your idea will put up the brand, and your idea will fetch the margin in your product also. So that is again very important to understand. So now look at, there are thousands of ideas out there. We know what makes a good one. Where do we find them? Look for need, watch trends, listen for complaints, problems, or pains also, which was faced by the customer. Then get creative about the building a business around them. Now look at the trend. What is trend? Trend means basically low cost products, convenience product, well-being product, environment friendly product, fever related products, gray power for the elderly people, female related product, kids related product. Such kind of products are in demand. Category, segmentation, targets are available. Think about it and you can come up with a good idea. So low cost, look at, this is Chotu Cool, developed by Godrej, and a good example of disruptive innovation. In India, only 20% have access to cooling device as against 92% in United States and 78% in China. Chotu Cool is a simple and elegant in design at a cost of less than $70. It is very popular in this country. So this great idea is going to increase and shoot up your business like anything. For example, convenience food. Earlier making dosa, idli, vada was very panic. You have to have some traditional equipment at your home. And if you are not able to use that traditional equipment, you cannot have the taste of South India. Now, this convenience, like the company like MTR or maybe other companies, what they are come up with the small pouches where you can have for 4 people, 2 people, 3 people, and all kind of things are, it is ready to mix, ready to cook, and ready to eat also. So this is known as a convenience food. These are the ideas, and if you look at the company turnover as a part of entrepreneurship development, it is remarkable. So many other companies are also working. Now look at this wheat flour, that mineral water. These are all come under this category, which is known as a convenience business. Now look at this Truly tag, lost and found protection for the things you love. So such kind of great ideas are working. So you just type on your Google Truly tag, you will come to know. That is what they have put up. They are putting one sticker like return me, where is the addresses. So something is, while this won't guarantee that you will always get your stuff back, it will increase your odds and make it whole lot easier. So such ideas are really appreciated around the world and people are working on it. I'll appeal to our audience also, may kindly think about these ideas and go for it. Now look at this embedded, generosity. Coca-Cola teamed up with Japanese Red Cross to create vending machine that accept donations. So you need not to go to the trust or societies where you deposit your donation. Yes, such kind of vending machines are available. By walking, you can put up your donations. So it is a updated and IT savvy format. In India, you can see the hundis and other concept, but now this is little bit advanced and IT friendly. So this is also again very good idea and innovative and such getting popular. Well-being means like Holiday Inn pedometer given out with every room key. Pedometers, like people are quite conscious about their fitness. So pedometer has given them like how many times they walked or how many hours or kind of calories which was burned. So Holiday Inn has introduced this So it is attracting by the customer. So this is now you are addressing well-being. Now you are addressing well-being. iTunes, health and fitness or medical categories now contain more than 7,000 apps for iPhone. Health related apps for Android phone have so far achieved more than 3 million downloaded. Look at the environment. Crown Plaza Hotel, Copenhagen, bicycle machines in gym linked to hotel generator. So when you are doing exercise, hotel generator is also generating power. So we are saving green environment, supporting environment, saving some energy and power from other sources also. So this is again very important. Look at the great idea, very appreciated idea, and working on it. Environment. Nokia phone Dynamo. Nokia has, while selling in the phone in Finland, they are also asking to put up the Dynamo. U beauty pots and plants. So these are, little ideas, but it is changing our lifestyle. It is making more comfort. It is, providing satisfaction to the people and saving the environment. And many kind of, things you will find out. And simultaneously, we people are making money also, and business is also growing. So environment, 30% of US customers are willing to pay up to the 20% premium on clean green product over non-sustainable alternatives. So look at the attraction, look at the concern of people. If you are going such kind of ideas, people will appreciate. Research is saying like that. Then female fever. US women are responsible for 85% of all consumer purchases. They make 92% of vacation purchase. They hold 89% of all US bank accounts, 51% of personal wealth, and 93% of food purchase, and are worth more than 5 trillion in consumer spending power, larger than entire Japanese or European economy. So if you go for the research, same kind of data, let more or less you will find in our country also, in India. If you look at the rural women, they are also having such kind of data. If for the urban women, you will find some more data. So lot of scope you will find if you are targeting women, to create any good idea, to support women, to make convenience for the woman, to make energetic women, and to make active women. And if you look at most of the IT industry, which is full of the female and women candidates. Why it is so? Because they are working very hard, and IT sector, you look at, country is growing like anything in this field. So gray power means old age people. People over the age of 55 will drive two-thirds of the growth in consumer spending. In France, over the next 2 decades, they will account for all the increase in recreation, food eaten at home, utilities, and gasoline, which is petrol, and for 33% of the increase in electronics. So such elderly people, like same thing is in India, retired people, elderly people, they have a lot of wealth. They have their savings also, and they are spending through old age homes, or maybe various type of method they have used to spend. So if you are targeting to them, definitely you are going to have some more about that. Between the year 2010 and 2040, the global population of age 65 and over is expected to rise from 530 million to 1.3 billion. Look at the scope. So think about that. So how to benefit it, our old age people, and good ideas for them, so you can make money. So finally, online, over 2 billion people are online. Consumer are building their own personal brands online. If Facebook were a country, it would be the world third largest country. 1 out of 8 marriages in USA begin online. The number of iPhone app hit 1 billion in 9 months. Email is old fashioned. Facebook and Twitter are in. So this is upcoming, area for our, graduates, for our youth. They can think about it and they can move, so finally, finding an idea, find a trend, complaint, problem, or pain, get creative on how to capitalize on it. Then mind map all the areas of skill or interest in the group, brainstorm all the the kids' safety and GPS. So browse this idea database by automotive, eco and sustainability, education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, financial services, food and beverage, gaming, government, health, well-being, homes, lifestyle, leisure, marketing, advertising, media, publication, retail, style, design, tourism, travel, and transportation. Word is big enough. With these words, I just want to say thanks to my audience who has been spared this time. And I believe that this presentation, this talk, this webinar would be great use for them